Hello, today we will talk about how to save time and money in creating USP images, product card design, and content with PIM and Figma. In e-commerce, producing high-quality creatives is crucial for achieving success. But let's be honest, sometimes it's very slow. You need a technical task, a designer, etc. Then verify the results and update the product cards. Let's proceed to the PIM system and observe its functionality. Initially, all product attributes need to be inputted into the PIM system. Get the creative template ready in Figma. Do it yourself or ask someone appropriate for assistance. Our template comprises of a product image along with its 3 unique selling points, USPs. To match them, we must call these elements in PIM using the same method, following the established rule. Start with hashtag. Specify attribute name and attribute group name using vertical bar for each element in template. Once you have the template ready, go to the official Figma store, search for a PIM plugin, install it, and then run the plugin to complete the process. Enter username and password for the PIM system. Select products to update. Apply a filter and copy the link into the Figma window. Press the send button and check the products that need to be worked on. If there are no errors, select the template and press Generate to obtain the content of each product. To upload it to the platform, send images to the PIM system. Select images and go to Export. Choose Company, Attribute to load images, and preferred image format in this section. Well done. The products are in the PIM system. We can export them to any store. The plugin makes it easy to quickly get an unlimited number of images without extra costs or errors. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and follow the link in the description to utilize the PIM system now and obtain access to a demo for a week. Enjoy and see you shortly.